Hello students, in this video we will see the exercise of chapter 2, a snake charmer story. So in this exercise, first question is choose the correct answer. First question, first question is which dance has movements similar to the dance of snake? Option A, Bhangra dance, B, Bharatnatyam, C, Kalbelia dance and D, hip hop. So your answer is C, Kalbelia dance. So Kalbelia dance has the movements like the dance of the snake. Next question 2. Which of the following is a venomous snake? So option A is cobra, B python, C king snake, D bull snake. So your answer is A cobra snake. Cobra is the venomous snake. Third number, Kalbelia is a kind of option A dance form, B design, C musical instrument or D song. So Kalbelia is a kind of dance form. So your answer is option A. Next, the saperas carried snacks in option A tin boxes, B bamboo baskets, C cloth bags and D none of these. So your answer is B bamboo baskets. The saperas carried snacks in bamboo baskets. The next question is what is the other name of the Dubai snake? So the other name of the Dubai snake is Russell's viper. Option C. Here the option is given to you in that A is saw-scale viper, B saber-tooth viper, C Russell's viper and D none of these. So your answer is C Russell's viper. The next question is fill in the blanks. For that the options or bracket is also given to you. In this first blank are the people who make the snakes dance by playing the blank. So your answer is Kalbelias and Bean. So Kalbelias are the people who make the snakes dance by playing the bean. The next blank is snake charmers make blank from the plants collected from the forest. So your answer is medicines. Snake charmers make medicines from the plants collected from the forest. Next question or next fill in the blank is 3 number. From the blank of the bite, saperas could find out which snake has bitten the person. So from the mark of the bite, saperas could find out which snake has bitten the person. The next blank is snake bite can even cause blank on the spot. So the answer is death. Snake bite can even cause death on the spot. The next blank is poisonous teeth of the snakes are known as blank. So the answer is fangs. Poisonous teeth of the snakes are known as the fangs. So here the filling the blanks is over. The next question, that is answer the following question or answer these questions. In that first question, who are snake charmers? So snake charmers are people who move from village to village carrying snakes in the bamboo basket. One more time, snake charmers are the people who move from village to village carrying snake in bamboo basket. The next question is, what are the things that Aryanath's father taught him when he grew older? So, Aryanath's father taught him these two things when he grew older. So, first is removing poisonous teeth or fangs of the snake and B. Closing the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. So, Aryanath's father taught him these two things when he grew older, and the first thing is removing poisonous teeth or fangs of snakes and closing the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. The next question, how many kind of snakes found in India are poisonous. So only 4 kind of snakes found in our country are poisonous. In that first one is cobra, second common krait, next Russell's viper, and next is saw-scale viper, or its name is afai also. Same as that, Russell's viper's other name is Dubai snake. So these four kind of snakes found in our country are poisonous, and their name is cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, and saw-scale viper. The next question, 4 number, how is the snake bite poisonous? So a snake has 2 hollow teeth, and that is known as the fangs. When it bites, the poison enter the person's body through these fangs. So the snake has these 2 fangs, and through which the poison is enter in the body of the person. Next question, is there a medicine for snake bite, and where can we find this medicine? So yes, there is the medicine for snake bite, and the medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in all government hospitals. So this medicine is made from snake poison, and these are available in the all government hospital. The next is, like snake charmers, which other people depend on animals for their livelihood. So here the example of that is given to you. Following people depend on animals for their livelihood. It is Madari, Tongawala, zookeeper, washerman, and parrot predictor. So these are the people who are totally dependent on the animals for their livelihood. Madaris, Tongawala, zookeeper, washerman, and parrot predictor. The next is true false. In that true false, first one, Kalbelias are the people who can make snakes dance by playing the bean. So yes, it is the right statement. So your answer is true. Next statement, most of the snakes are not poisonous. So yes, it is also right. So your answer is true. Next is python is a venomous snake. So false, python is not a venomous snake. The next one, saperas used to play the bean to entertain people. So your answer is yes, true. Snake charmers know how to remove the poisonous teeth of the snakes. So yes, snake charmers know how to remove the poisonous teeth or fangs of the snakes. So your answer is true. Next is snake charmers or Kalbelias used to gift snakes to their daughter when they got married. So yes, it is also true. Next is all snakes are poisonous. So this is false. All the snakes are not poisonous. The next is the medicine for snake bite is available in all government hospitals. So yes, it is a true statement. So its answer is true. Next is give the reason why. In that first question, snakes do not have ears but they dance on bean. How can they dance on the bean as they do not have the ears? So your answer is like that. Snakes do not have external ears but they do have internal ears. Pet snakes respond to the movement of bean and the bean player, not the actual sound. So snakes are moving or dancing to give the response to the movement of the bean or the bean player or snake charmer. The next reason, snakes are friends of farmers. How can we say that snakes are the friends of farmers? So snakes are called friends of farmers as they eat rats in the fields Otherwise, rats would eat the crops. So that's why they are helping the farmers to protect the crop from the rats, so that the snakes are known as the, or they are called as the friends of the farmer. Next is matching here. Match the following question. That first one, in one column the animals is given to you, and on this another column its uses is given to you. So first is in animal column, the name of the animals are like this: cow, horse, hen, sheep and fish. And their uses are given: carries load, gives us egg, gives us wool, source of food and gives us milk. So first, that is cow. So cow gives us milk. The answer is already given to you. The answer is E. Cow gives us milk. Next is horse. So horse carries the load. The answer is A. Next is hen. So it gives us eggs. So the answer is B. Sheep. Next is, so sheep gives us wool. The answer is C. And last one is fish. So we are using fish as the our source of food. So the answer is D. So cow gives us milk, horse carries load, hen gives us eggs, sheep gives us wool, and fish is the source of food. Now next is another matching. In this one column the professions are given to you, and in another column the animals that are used for that professions is given to you. So in first column the professions are like that: snake charmer, madaris, fortune teller and circus people. On the another column animals name is given to you: elephants and lions, parrots, snakes and monkeys. Answer is already given to you. Let's we see this first: snake charmer. So snake charmer uses snakes. So the answer is C. Next is madaris. So they use the monkeys. The answer is D. Next is fortune teller. That means they are telling about your future. That is called as the fortune teller, and they are using parrot for their source of income. The next is circus people. So they are using elephants and lions. So snake charmer uses snakes, madaris monkeys, fortune teller uses parrots, circus people use the lions or elephants. So here the exercise of this chapter will get over, and in the next video we will see the next chapter, chapter number 3 of EVS class 4, and thank you.